In the quiet morning hours of June 30th, 1908, the skies above a remote stretch of Siberian wilderness erupted in a flash of fire and fury. Witnesses described a blinding blue-white streak racing across the heavens, followed by an explosion so powerful it flattened over 800 square miles of forest. The shockwave shattered windows and knocked people off their feet, some as far as 40 miles away. It was an event of unfathomable force, yet no impact crater was ever found. What exactly happened in Tunguska that day? Scientists believe the culprit was likely a space rock, a comet or asteroid about 200 feet wide, hurtling into Earth's atmosphere at tens of thousands of miles per hour. But unlike meteorites that carve craters, this object never reached the ground. Instead, the intense pressure and heat caused it to explode mid-air, releasing energy equivalent to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. The result was catastrophic. Ancient trees were charred and snapped like matchsticks, creating a radial pattern that stretched for miles, an eerie scar still visible today. For decades, the Tunguska Event baffled researchers, spawning wild theories. Some suggested it was a volcanic gas explosion, others a secret weapon test, or even a visit from extraterrestrials. But in recent years, advancements in atmospheric modeling and asteroid impact studies have largely confirmed the airburst hypothesis. Intriguingly, similar events have occurred on smaller scales, like the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion in 2013, reminding us how vulnerable our planet remains. Yet Tunguska's true legacy lies in its warning. With no known fatalities, it was a devastating near miss. But what if such an event occurred over a major city today? It's a chilling thought that has driven global efforts to track and deflect potential threats from space. The Tunguska Event remains one of Earth's greatest unsolved mysteries, a testament to the unpredictable power of the cosmos and a sobering reminder of our fragile place beneath the stars.